Like, just look at it real quick. Like, my first TP was a 1 to 2.5. So you put in 100, you take out 250. You feel me? You put in 1,000, you take out 2,500. You feel me? Now that motherfucker right there, I don't know what the fuck going on. I think some CPI news came out or some shit like that, but that bitch kept running. But man, like, y'all need to tap in, man, for real. Like, I'm literally on the toilet right now, bro. Like, just imagine if I had 100K in my account and I put $1,000 on that. That's somebody fucking rent, car note, like, in literally an hour. Like, look at that, bro. Look at it. This ain't no fake play. This ain't no fake shit. Y'all been seeing me trade. Y'all been seeing all that. I haven't been posting on Snapchat, but I've been posting on Instagram and Facebook. So if y'all don't got my Instagram and Facebook, make sure y'all follow me on there. My Instagram is infamous.kevo. My Facebook is my name. But yeah, I've been training now. I'm finna drop some YouTube videos on this shit too, man. But if y'all wanna make some money, man, come tap in with me, bro. For real. Like, y'all see the play right here. Like, literally, this is the play. I called the play out before it happened. Literally. This was what? Monday? This was Monday. Today is Tuesday. Look. Literally, like, I called the play out, like, to the T. Like, look, hold on. Like, that's the play. Like, literally. Like, I've been screenshotting it and everything. I'm finna post the whole thing on there. But anyways, it's just crazy, man, that this skill set is like, it take a little time to learn, bro. Once you learn it, bro, like, the sky's the limit, bro. Like, this play could be $1 million play, 50K play. Don't matter. It just a matter about how much you putting into it. And, you know what I'm saying? The skill set, you feel me? Like, I could literally grow money. Like, I haven't been on Snapchat posting my stuff like that. I've been on Instagram, but I'm doing a challenge. I'm doing the $50 to 10K. I grew the $50 to 200. I took some money out. The account was at $15. Now the account is back at $50. So we're gonna just keep growing it. It's gonna be a little slow, but once we start getting in the cage, it's gonna start going faster. But I'm gonna be dropping videos on Snapchat with it too. But yeah, man, that's just one of the plays. I mean, like it's crazy. Like, I've been catching these plays, bro. Like, I just haven't been showing it. I've been behind the scenes, but I've been catching these plays. I'm ready to teach y'all this shit, man. Like, I want to help y'all quit y'all jobs. I want to help y'all, you feel me, get on the same path I'm on. I couldn't work a job still, but I'm on my way to quitting my job too. And I want to help y'all, man. I want to help y'all because I'm finna take off with it.